more babies.
Oh my gosh, they're so little.
Hi, baby. Her name is Slipper. She's our last baby born for this year. Do you want to come out and say hello?
Look at her little tail. Is Slipper a girl or a boy?
Slipper is a girl.
Hi.
Here, you hold her.
I will gladly. Oh, hi. Hi.
So
How old is Slipper?
Slipper is 10 days old.
How many goats did you start with on the farm?
Evan, who started this farm originally in 1977, she started out with one goat named Sarah. And all of our Alpines and our Nubians originated from that one goat named Sarah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. We outcross. We bring in a new boy here or there, but the DNA can trace back to that one girl.
I want to take her home. I can, right? That's part of the tour. Everyone gets to take home a baby goat.
Free goat.
I'm sold.
Run.
Do you have room for me on the farm?
Oh
Can
yeah.
I just come?
Yeah.
Can I just come to stay here forever? You want to go back with your friends? Thank you for letting me hold you. Oh gosh. Go be with your brother.
Ooh. Go on. Oh no.
She wants to come back. It's a sign.
She can probably come with us.
This will be good. We're training her for being a tour guide on the farm. We start at 10 days old.
Yeah.
You can bring her with us?
Yes.
I got you a broom.
Would you walk with us? Wow. Come on, let's go.